Step 1. Cut the pipe to the desired length. Step 2. Position the pipe in the welding frame. Step 3. Clamp the pipework into the welding frame. Step 4. Dress the pipework with the end preparation tool. Step 5. Check pipe to ensure ends are square. Step 6. Clean the pipe ends with an approved cleaning solution. Step 7. Insert the heating plate to prepare the pipe for welding. Step 8. Remove the heating plate to allow the ends to be welded together. Step 9. Stamp the pipework for future reference and welder identification.